Hello and welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade and today we will manually trade our assets on Shrimpy. We are going to convert the Bitcoin held in this portfolio to Cardano. To do this, we select Bitcoin. The asset detail page will appear. There is a lot of information displayed here. At the top, we can choose which portfolio we want to trade from. We can see the current price, market cap, price change in the last 24 hours, trading volume, and trend analysis. On the right side, we see our current balance. We see how much we hold and its allocation in our portfolio. We are going to trade Bitcoin for Cardano. Select how much you want to trade. We can see the amount of Cardano that Shrimpy will purchase. Select Preview and see the trades that will be made and our asset balance after the trade. If everything looks good, select Confirm. We can see the trade pending in our trade history. All right, the trade is now complete. Back on the dashboard, we can see Bitcoin has been swapped for Cardano. If you have any further questions about trading, please reach out to the support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help answer all of your questions.